So this is the beloved kitchen pod. So this is where all of the food, washing your hands. You've got a countertop up here. We've got a sink. So this is just glass that lifts up, and then you turn the sink on. And whenever you close it, it allows you to have more surface space on top to work with, to do whatever you need to do with. In here we have some storage in here, so just kind of random things in this one. So that's storage. If you choose to have a kitchen pod in your van, there's still plenty of leg room and foot room right here where the kitchen pod, in between the kitchen pod and the seat. Also nice is you can have this table here. This will actually lower, so you can have a desk here. This also acts as a cutting board. So this is actually cutting board material. Whenever you are up here, you have more surface space if you want to use it as a cutting board, or if you just want more prep space, you can use it for that, or use it as a desk right there. And then this simply folds down. The refrigerator is right here, and whenever you want to pull it out, there's a drawer right here. You get to your food, and then you just roll it back in. Pretty simple.